Nestled amidst the lush expanse of the Atlantic forest, Gui Mattos Leaning House emerges as a serene sanctuary. Its structure, seemingly suspended in the clearing, defies gravity, supported only by delicate elements of stone. This design philosophy allows the house to integrate seamlessly into the existing topography, permitting nature to continue its unhindered course. The house's true allure lies in its pursuit of diffused light. The angular displacement of the roof slab and the expansive glass panels facing the sun's path create a play of light and shadow that dances across the interior. This interplay of light and darkness infuses the space with a sense of tranquility and contemplation. Warmth and rhythm are introduced into the concrete shell through the strategic placement of wooden elements. These wooden accents not only provide a tactile contrast to the cool, hard surfaces but also contribute to the overall ambience of the house. As the eye wanders through the space, the interplay of wood and concrete creates a visually engaging and dynamic experience. The house's design encourages a profound connection with the surrounding natural environment. From the expansive glass panels that offer unobstructed views of the forest to the wooden elements that harmonize with the natural materials of the trees, the house becomes an extension of the landscape. It is a place where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur, allowing residents to experience the beauty and serenity of nature from the comfort of their own home. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the clearing, the leaning house takes on a mystical aura. The interplay of light and darkness, the warmth of the wooden elements, and the serene beauty of the forest combine to create a truly magical atmosphere. It is a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find solace in the tranquility of nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the All House by Gui Mattos. This remarkable architectural masterpiece is a testament to the power of design to seamlessly integrate with nature, creating a space that is both inspiring and awe-inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos exploring the world of architecture and design. I hope this video has sparked your curiosity about the All House by Gui Mattos and the potential for architecture to create harmonious living spaces within the natural world. Until next time, happy exploring!